A good beauty routine begins with good skincare, and the best way to get the optimum results from your skincare products is to use the Rose Quartz Roller by BeautyBio. It has 2 rollers on it, one on either end. The larger roller is for the face, and the smaller roller is for the eye area. Now, it is cool to the touch, which is really gonna help with inflammation, AKA puffy eyes. And if you want even better results from the roller, you can store it in your fridge, and that way it will remain cool at all times. So I'm gonna start with the eye area. So what you wanna do is you always wanna do upward and outward lifting motions like that, strokes like this. And you wanna make sure that you don't put too much pressure in the eye area because the skin in the eye area is very, very sensitive. But you always wanna be doing lifting motions because you wanna get rid of the inflammation and the toxins that are underneath there, and that's what causes the puffiness. And you can do a natural brow lift like this as well. And then I'm gonna switch it over and you can do the face. And you're gonna get wider areas like this. And then you could even do the forehead as well, and don't forget the neck. And as you go along, you will notice that the roller gets warmer, and that's what you want because the warmth from the roller is gonna help the skincare products that you put on penetrate into the skin even better, therefore getting better results from your skincare products. And there you have it, a nice, beautiful glow. A great way to liven up the under eye area is to attack those dark under eye circles. And the best way to do that is with a concealer. IT Cosmetics has a concealer called Bye Bye Under Eye, and it's really great for that. You wanna start with applying the concealer in the inner corner first. You wanna start there because that's where it's the darkest. And then you're just gonna move it out like this, doing light feathery strokes like that. Move it outward and across and underneath the eye, and just put a little bit more. It's always best to have to add product than to have to take it away. So always use it sparingly. And then when you get to the outer edges like this, you wanna do short, wispy strokes like that, and that's how you blend out the edges. Another great way to waken up the face and liven it up and get a fresh glow is to use a highlighter. The key to highlighter is to know where to place it. Benefit Cosmetics has a great highlighter called What's Up, and I'm gonna be using that today. So first what you wanna do is you wanna apply it right there to the cheekbones and on top of the temples right there. And then what you wanna do is use the sponge that's on the other side and just blend out the edges. You're gonna do light wispy strokes like this, just to blend it out. And it's always good to start with a little and add as opposed to having to take it off. So go into the temple and onto the cheekbone, and that's how you're gonna get a nice, fresh, youthful glow.